So we have completed like where is that 60? Till this point. Jayashree, we are going to learn topic wise in our sessions. So these topics we are preparing, this roadmap we are making to enter into Salesforce. If you know road, it is easy to learn. If you don't know road, we feel like going, but we don't know where we are going. We know destination. We don't know road. How you will go? Every time, sir, where is this address? On road. It should not be like that. So, as a professional, Srihari, you must know. So why you are dull? Yesterday didn't sleep. Really? What happened? Huh? Yeah, I understand. Because my timetable only. Okay, no problem. Morning lemon we have to take to become active. Even if you take drink as well, lemon will cure your liver. Fresh, refresh. Okay. So project activities we have in this first side heading is main topics is what is main topic? Project in IT companies. Naveen. So here we will cover 3 in that. We will understand what activities are being done and what are the different teams, what are the different meetings are conducted in Salesforce projects. This is the first one. Next one is Salesforce introduction. Salesforce introduction. In the Salesforce introduction, we have to understand what are the different services provided by Salesforce. Because any software technology or any application, they provide some services. We also provide some services as a human. What service you will provide after marriage? You have to say namaste madam morning, good night madam. Otherwise no food. I will not talk about other one which you will not get if you don't say this. Okay, those services everybody does. That is our human psychology and that is our duty. Same as a Salesforce, what services they are providing. As a IT company, what services you are doing. As a IT employee, Salesforce employee, what services you will do. What are your responsibilities? Like that, Salesforce is a CRM. What happened, Sai and Siddharth? What services they provide? Then only people will come to know, right? Otherwise, no. If we don't say, if we open company and if you don't understand what services we are providing, nothing will happen. Then front end, back end, business logic technology, they are providing those services. But those services are IT services. When you provide IT services, there should be a front end, back end, and business logic. Rashi, understanding, right? So then Salesforce technologies, a front end, back end, business logic. What technologies are there by Salesforce? What are the technologies? What are the front end technologies in Salesforce, back end technologies in Salesforce, business logic in Salesforce? Then next one is what? So they have those technologies and they have those services. How those services are stored? How you provide those services in the form of editions? Either it is a free edition or paid edition. As a employee, you use paid edition, that is the unlimited edition. If you are learning phase, you use free developer edition. And for that editions, what features they are adding timely? 3 releases they are doing. What is the current release? Winter 24. When I was explaining first time about these releases, I was too confused. I want to give clarification to students, so I was getting confused. How to remember this? You simply remember it because my experience and your IQ as well. I don't make you down. I was trying to convince one session, entire session. I taught about those releases. There is nothing. Experience is more important for few things only. Okay. Now next, Salesforce CRM. Fourth one. Everybody, if somebody don't remember, you try to connect with this story. Salesforce products and clouds, not crowds. After understanding releases, what product Salesforce have? They have Sales Cloud alone, Service Cloud alone, Marketing Cloud, and together they have Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Together they have Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. All these options are available. Your organization wants 3 together. They will give 3 together. Some small organization, they take products like this. Then you have to understand how those products are built, where those products are built, what is the architecture of those products, what is the platform. Force.com. You see how smart you are. On the Force.com, they have built all this Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. So many clouds they build. If Force.com is not there, we cannot build. How you will build without development environment? So which layer is coming for integration? They have some APIs. Where that API is there, where this Force.com is there, where these products are there, between these products, what is available? That is the architecture, building architecture. What you will understand in the building architecture? First, you will have a pillars, then basement. On the basement, you will have walls. On wall, you have roofs. On pillars, not on walls. On pillars, roof will be there. You are understanding this architecture or not? In the same way, when you are working in some subject, you have to understand it, Swami. Without understanding, we should not do. Life will be difficult if you do like that, stressful. So all this is connecting one by one or not? When I am talking, all these are one by one, it is connected. Step by step it is. So after CRM architecture overview, and where this happens, this product development, where, in which environment in real time it happens. Here, what is the heading? On Force.com environment, development environment, what are the important parts you have to understand? You have to understand environments where you are developing your code, where this code is tested, where this is moving to user acceptance test. Client will not directly install in their machines. If you give some product, they will not believe you. They will test first. Without testing, they will not. It is kind of dating. They test during dating. If they feel okay, then only marriage. Understanding, Kusma? I am giving unnecessary ideas to everyone. So that environment and sandbox, that is very, very important concept. In real time, they will ask this deployment process. When you say you know Salesforce, you are doing some project, they will ask you how you are deploying your code. What is the deployment process? Many people doesn't know deployment. That is explained by Shiven sir and Swapna madam. I cannot. I don't know. Yeah.
Both integration and deployment same or
Both
integration and deployment are same or different?
Integration is different, deployment is different. If you do integration, again you have to come to deployment. If you write some code, if you implement some API, that should be deployed in the system, right? Without deployed in the production environment, without developing that in development environment, without testing, you cannot. Integration is a integral part of Salesforce. So next one is what? In the data modeling, how many we have? Till where we have in data modeling? Record types, no. Organization level, users and license, record types. Till this point, record types. Till this point, users and licenses will come in next part. UI customization is there, right? So UI customization means UI customization. So this is the part. Eighth one is so here, how many you have to remember till this point? 6 plus 24, 30. Till yesterday, 13 plus 5, 6 plus 24. Applications. What are these applications? Yesterday we have seen, where we have seen yesterday, we went to developer R. Where is that? Developer R. This is everybody create a developer edition account. It is asking about no internet. Let me check. So sometimes this is administrative. It doesn't match. I don't know what to do. Let me try this. I don't know to which email ID it will go. This is problem. Oh. So let me what to do. I don't know. Some other are there. Waste of login at Salesforce. Anyone have credentials? Tell you. Huh? V P U. Huh? V A R U N. Huh? Password.
Capital V.
Huh?
ARUN.
Hmm.
Period 1 to 3.
Your internet banking password also same. So this is what? This is a application. This is a CRM application. This is a CRM application. I am going to classic. This is a CRM application. In this application, we have different apps, different applications. Sales application is there, service application is there, marketing application is there. These are the three different applications we have. We have to understand these applications. And Salesforce has provided these applications. Whatever Salesforce has provided, we call them as standard applications. We call them as standard applications. And if you create by your own, you call it as custom application. Salesforce always you have two. One is standard, which is provided by Salesforce. One is custom, which is created by you. You have to understand those applications. 14th one is applications. And you have to include objects in the application. There will be two objects, standard object, custom objects. Object is nothing but a table where data is stored. You have to store your data, right? If you don't include those objects in application, you cannot work. And those objects are back end and front end. You can see tab bar. Front end, you can see tabs. Back end, it is a database table. If you know coding, you can see object. As a developer, you can see. Client doesn't know object. They see this only, front end only. Back end, they don't see. So you have to understand what are the different tabs available. And each object contains fields. Object is a table. You have to enter your name. That is a field. You have to enter your phone number. That is a field. That is nothing but column name. Column name in the table. Swami, what is field and what is object? Object is database table. Field is a column name for the table. You will have first name for the table. Whenever you enter first name, it will store one by one. Naveen, understanding, right? So even though if you know it, you have to explain like this. If you could explain like this, you can easily crack interview. You will get confidence. Next fields. There is relationship between objects. In the database, there should be a relationship. Entire data we cannot put in a table.
Yes.
There is limit for column names. There are some rules and regulations. First normal form, second normal form, third normal form. Like this, there are some rules for database. So based on that rules, we design our objects. Those objects will have relationships. Those relationships we have to understand properly. There will be a question in interview on relationships. They will ask you. If you want to, if somebody tell I learned Salesforce, I will ask question in relationships. If they understand relationships properly, then they can work easily. There are some standard things to learn in relationships. Next, roll-up summary.
The relationship between, fields and objects are only
Objects.
objects.
Roll-up summary. You need to do some calculations. Sum. If you want to add 1 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus like this, you don't need to write code. They will directly give one sum. Roll-up summary. If you use sum, automatically.
Can you explain the relationships?
Sorry?
Can you explain the relationships?
Relationships? I am not getting your voice. Somebody is speaking.
Sir, I am saying that can you explain the relationships?
No, I am not getting your voice clearly.
Hello?
I am not getting your voice clearly.
I was saying like to explain the relationship in Salesforce, like what are relationships in Salesforce?
But different types of relationships. Yeah, there
Yes,
are. How many types of relationships are there, Varun?
Master detail, lookup, many to many.
Junction.
Junction.
One to many, not one to many is the internal concept. Lookup relationship is there. Master detail relationship is there. Junction object you have to use. Okay, that is object create relationship. We have to follow some rules. Okay, their junction object 1 to 1 means what? 1 to many means what? Based on the objects, based on the requirements, these relationships are created.
Like what purpose we are using our relationships?
If you don't use relationships, there are two objects, two tables. In one table, employee data is there. In other table, department data is there. If you want to get both details at a time, I will ask this employee is in which department and which location. Here in employee location is there, their department is there. These two are linked. So we use that relationship, we use some query and we will get that information. Devasis? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So roll up summary, sum, count, directly we will get. Schema builder. It is like a tool where you can create objects, fields. You can create objects and fields.
Okay.
You can create objects and fields in multiple ways. And schema builder is good tool. If you want to see relationship between two objects, you can place those two objects in the schema builder pan. It will show which relationship is there and what are the fields in this table, in the object, first object, what are the fields in second object. So validation rules. Why validations? For example, now if you go to ATM, maximum it will give 10,000 rupees. If you enter 11,000 rupees, what it will say? Enter less than enter up to 10,000. It should do validation. If you go to phone number field, you will enter your name. It will scold. Idiot, this is phone number, why you are entering? That validation we have to do. Sai, understanding? So formula fields, we need to do some calculations. Other than roll-up summary, it is required to do some calculations, plus or minus division, some things are there. Some complex things are there. Formula fields are required. Field tracking history. If you want to track any field, for example, last time bank manager took 50,000 rupees from somebody's account. Yeah. When they go to withdraw money, they are saying no money. He is telling, are you withdrawn? After some time, they are asking. And still he is telling, no, you withdrawn, we don't know. When people are like me, what we will do? I called him. What is the problem? They are telling, they showed some check. After they have created something and shown on her name and with her signature and shown, see, on this date, you withdrawn money. She said at that date I was in US. How I will come to bank? I said bring CC cameras if she is there. No sound for him. I asked him, there will be field tracking. You know it. If some transaction happened, they should know who has done the transaction. At cash counter, they will log in with their user ID and password. They make changes to this field. 50,000 transaction. Either it can be ATM transaction or internet banking or at cash counter in bank. So exactly 11:55, this person has given money. So she is not there. Either you bring CC camera and prove, or else you deposit that money. I know you only did psychological understanding I have. Next day they deposited and called me. Sir, done. Then people like me are there beside them. You cannot cheat them. So that is the field tracking history. Whatever happened to that field, last 18 months it will track. There is governor limit. In an object, how many fields you can track? Shivendu sir knows. I don't know. Shivendu sir? That is also called governor limit. There is limit for field tracking. 20 fields maximum we can track. Only important fields we can track. Not everything. If we track everything, it will be load on database. Because history should be there. That you can see practically from Shivendu sir and Swapna madam. Duplicate rules. I don't know that. I don't know outside they will teach or not. But Swapna madam, Shivendu sir will teach. So how many
duplicate rules we will teach? You want me to explain duplicate rules?
Yeah, Shivendu, please.
Yeah. So duplicate rules, guys, are nothing like suppose you are creating some record, like you are creating some student record. Now you don't want with the duplicate name, the student name should be there. Like with the name of Debashish, we have one record. And we don't want with the same name or with the same email ID, like Debashish100 @gmail.com is there. So we don't want with the same Gmail ID, the record should be created. So for that, we are going to create the duplicate rules in Salesforce. So
So-
practically, we will be seeing like how we will be creating a duplicate rules.
So now, as per Shivendu sir, if we apply some sense, I could have understood it. Right? We could apply our senses. We don't apply, unfortunately. We feel I don't know. If I am in quarter, I should have explained this. That time brain will work fast. So duplicate rule means now Shivendu sir just said whatever logic is there, but I will explain it. How I will explain? If you are creating Gmail or if you are creating Salesforce user ID, what it will tell? It's already existed. So to implement that backend, you will use some admin or configuration or coding and you implement that part. So whenever end user or client try to do something, it will say, no, it's already there. So apply your senses. Easily we will grasp. So entire 104, if you understand like this overall, if I call somebody in 1 hour, all of you should explain in 1 or 2 sentences what is it generically. Then we will move to technical by Shivendu sir and Swapna madam. So you will get confidence. Oh, I know this. I have so much power in me, like robo. Otherwise, every time disappointing in class, night not sleeping, morning coming, or something is going on here. If you miss something, today your mood is not good. You are break up with your girlfriend. You don't know tomorrow your life is good, but still you are in that mood. That day you will not understand what is happening in class. If you know this content, what happened, Nandini? You didn't sleep night. Hostel mates disturbed her. Okay, where we are? Not duplicate rules. If you miss something class, duplicate rules already done. You understood what is duplicate rules? Yeah, if you have that much understanding, backend you will implement to do that too. That too, I am not responsible. Swapna madam and Shivendu sir are responsible for that. My responsibility is only to make you understand what is what. If you understand what is what, life is easy. You will not understand what is what. What? That is simple. That's simple. That is what. What only we have to understand. Naveen, getting? You have to tell in 1 hour, all 104. Each one, how many seconds it will take? 10 to 15 seconds. 4 in 1 minute. 104 divided by 4. How many? 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Entire Salesforce. Madam will explain in 30 minutes better than me. But technically, generally, I am expert. Just imagine and telling what is there. So this is what you have to learn and understand if you want to crack interview, if you want to get into Salesforce. Everything should go into brain, generic terminology. Then technical terminology will go. Then coding will go. If you stuck at this point, what is what that? Always working brain. Itching in brain. ఇదే ఉంటుంది. You have to understand how simply we understood 24 topics. Today your task is for these 24 topics, what you know in generic terms you have to write in generic terms. So you will understand whether you are eligible for Salesforce or to pay fee here or not. If you don't write, call me, I will tell. Not answer, how to practice. Then you join course. Otherwise, no, Swami. Seriously, I am telling. Generic terminology, if you don't understand technical terminology, how you will understand? Possibility is there? No. Naveen, I am very frank person like Upendra. I will not motivate to you to pay fee. I will make you to understand subject, get into job. So here, first one is what?
Application.
Next, next, fields. Then, logically in sequence, I have explained. Everything is logically connected here. Applications, first you will see. In applications, you will have objects. In objects for client, you will have tabs. Next, you will have fields. For that fields, next, first part is application, object, tabs, and fields. Remember these four, Swami. What are those four? Wonderful. Those four are linked. Applications, objects, tabs, fields. Your entire Salesforce life is this only. Next, there should be a relationship. RR, double R. Gurtunda movie? Double R, triple R. Oh, nakanటే fast movies. Double R, relationship role of summary. RS, double RS, schema builder. Double RS. Tell me, Swami Chodakunta. Double RS. Yes. Under Kelpenda, everybody got into break. Online people. Online people.
Yeah, Madhu.
Every went into break. Aparna, who?
No, I'm still there. Not gone into break.
Okay. Now you tell me first four without seeing in screen.
No, I
Close
don't
your
have
eyes, so I am watching you.
Introduction is there one.
Sorry?
No, I don't by heart it. I'll by heart it now. I've not learned by hearting it.
No. I want in data modeling first four. Tell me.
No, Madhu, not so
No,
smart
I will
still.
tell. No, we will fight now. First one is what? Application or not? Highest. Application.
Correct.
Application.
Okay,
Object.
account.
AO. Object.
Okay.
AOT. Tab.
Okay.
F. AOTF.
Oh my God. Okay, I'll remember the shortcut next time.
Yeah, now AOTF. Tell me. AOTF.
Account, object, application.
Application.
Okay.
Application.
Application.
Object, tab,
Object,
field.
tab, and F is field. Okay.
Yes, very good,
Application.
Aparna. Congratulations. I want this
Thank you.
motivation for me. Okay, it is easy to remember. Next to double RS. Next to AOTF double RS. Aparna, come now. Come on.
Application.
Somebody posted cheaters. No, don't give Sarah to Aparna. Tell me. Aparna.
Okay, application. Then is object.
AOTF.
Then is M is. I need to check and copy now.
No. AOTF. Nothing will happen. It is okay.
Okay, T is tab, F is field.
AOTF. Application, object,
Tab, and field.
fields, relationships, roll-up summary, schema builder.
Roll-up summary.
Double RS. Yeah, you tell me, Aparna, now.
Application, object, tab, field, roll-up summary.
Yes.
Relationship and roll-up summary.
Then schema builder.
Schema builder. Okay.
So if you try like this, next 30 minutes, Aparna will tell entire things in 1 week. Aparna.
Now next time I'll be prepared. I will not be the same.
No, you are already okay. You are prepared already. You are done now. So you
Thank you,
came to
Madhu.
flow. Okay, this flow should be there
Thanks.
till 3 months.
Yes, sure.
Okay, I want everyone to be in flow. If I am not in flow, immediately quarter and coming to class. Immediately flow will come from inside. Okay. See, if I don't have back pain, how I am? If I have back pain, how I am? If you know Salesforce, how you will be? If you don't know Salesforce, how you will be? Super flow will come. Prashant. Praxis backdoors not required. You will crack interview. Job support if required, we will do. You will come to Madhapur, madam will be there beside you for 1 month. You will work and you will get into job. Happily go and enjoy with new girlfriends. Why you want all girlfriends? Before Salesforce, after Salesforce? Fact or not? That time you don't know Salesforce, you don't have job, you are just with her. Why you want her now again?
So nowadays, compared to girlfriend, Salesforce is not easy.
Mama, yeah. Who is that? Please give your phone number. I want to talk to you. Who? Name? Your
Raj
name?
itself.
Huh?
Raj itself.
Rajiv. Super motivation today in class. Aparna and Rajiv. Today I have to give awards. So AOTFRRS. Swami.
Madhu, now next time you say AOTF, anybody says AOTF, we are going to say the full form.
Something. What Aparna? What we will do?
Next time anybody calls AOTF, I'm going to tell the full form.
Okay. Double RS. Everybody got online people? AOTF double RS. How is this motivation? 50% back pain reduced. Otherwise, I would have been like running from here to there. I will tell me and I want to run with horse. She was watching my videos for fun to relax from stress. Girls are like that only. They don't enjoy us directly. Secretly, they will enjoy inside. If I go, she is stopping. Means their ego hurts. Definitely, their ego will hurt. Huh? What is there? He is coming, nothing is. Because of me, he is running his life. Rajiv is very perfect in this. Okay. Next, AOTFRRS done. Next one is, and don't expect this fun from Shivendu sir and Swapna madam, please, requesting you. So you tell Madhu sir will teach you. After coming Swapna madam, Shivendu sir, total subject 1.5 hours. Don't come to me, sir. Please, you teach Salesforce. They are experts. They are trainers. I am not trainer. Something I am not getting. One day, one girl is in love with some boy. His father called me. You have to not motivate. You have to brainwash her. If I motivate, he will break my head. You have to brainwash her. I asked her. You have so much properties. Your father is well settled. He will see very nice person with good family, and you will enjoy life without doing job. They have a lot of businesses. And why you liked him? I asked her. I like his sense of humor, sir. Sense of humor is till you go into his hands. So after that, no sense of humor. No sense of humor. Till you pay fee, this laughing will be there. After payment, all torture. Hey, what is assignment? Why you are not coming to classes? I will not be there. Madam will be picking up you. You do this scenario. Then she will update. She will send message. You talk to them, not studying well. What you people are doing in institute, enjoying or studying? Immediately I will get notification. Rajni, immediately she will come with stick. Okay. So now VFFD. VFFD. Validation rules, formula fields, field tracking history, duplicate rules. Map in brain. Validation rules. VF FD. FD. See here. D. VFFD. Map. I am mapping. Mapping. Naveen mapping. Swami mapping. Nandini mapped. What are you mapped? Tell me short form. Last one you have to map. First one is AOTF, RRS, VFFD. Tell me VFFD. So without seeing. Got it? Now tell me VFFD. AOTF, RRS, VFFD. Aparna. Aparna.
Yeah, Madhu.
Tell me VFFD.
Validation rule.
Ah.
When F one is duplicate one, second one I missed.
Okay, no, try, yeah, yes, right. VFFD.
VFFD. One is validation. F is no, sorry, Madhu. I'll write it down. Please help
No, validation rule,
me.
formula field, field
Okay,
tracking
formula field.
history, duplicate
And
rule.
duplication. Okay, got it.
When you are mapping, you have to close your eyes or open and close your manasu, heart, because it will run like horse. You have to stop that or you have to close your eyes. Two things only. If you close your eyes, your focus will go to that point. Not only writing. Close your eyes and I was looking at you, but I could not talk. I was mapping that in my brain. Means we have to close all doors for our mind and heart and focus on VFFD. Nandini, how to focus I will tell. Now you tell me. Okay, tell. So for VFFD, what is the full form? Formula piece. So when you are mapping, you have to close your eyes. If you close your eyes, your focus will go only onto that. If you don't get some word or something, what we will do? In general psychology, we will close eyes and we try to recollect. When you close your eyes, everything will close up. Now I am seeing here almost all people. Some 15 people I am seeing. Your 15 faces are going in my brain. So I cannot focus that time. And fans, all I am watching here, walls and everything. If you close your eyes, or else you have to focus on only one point, on wall or something. Sharp point you have to focus. Very sharp point. That is Raja Yoga. You will focus on only sharp point between the eyebrows. So if you focus like that, everything will be thinking about that point only. Otherwise, so many things. Your problem also like that only. Focus on problem and divide into pieces. Think about solution. If some problem come today, what you will do? First we will get tensions. If we see this, oh, how to remember this? First we will get that confusion. 24 plus 6, 30 you have to remember today. And don't think, oh, I want to remember 30. Divide that. Logically map in your brain. And what it is, understand and try to explain. That's it. Without seeing, you will write some 2 to 3 papers for each and every 30 points. So that time, don't think about anything. Think about that part only. That's why we take mobiles. If we take mobiles, first your focus will go off from mobile. Next we will say strictly don't speak to anyone. So you have to, in 8 hours, at least 4 hours if your quality time is spent, that is more. So Aparna, VFFD. Aparna.
Validation.
Rules, yes.
Validation rule. Field.
Try. Whatever you get, use that words.
Duplication, I remember.
Yeah, next.
Field. Flow or field? What is it?
No, try, you will get.
No, Madhu.
No, you have to map like, close your eyes and just whatever I am saying, just listen. Validation rules.
Okay.
You are looking at formula fields only, not at anything. Closing eyes and looking at formula fields.
Okay.
Then field history tracking. That is to track a field.
Okay.
Validation rule is
field history tracking and
yeah. Now VFFD.
Okay, so I'll repeat now. Validation rule, formula field tracking, duplication.
Yeah. Now you came to 90%, 10%. Validation rules, formula fields, field history tracking. Then
duplication. Duplicate
rules. So now from starting to ending we will come. First short form is what? Done. Now first one is how many of you confidently say inside? Inside, not outside. Inside. Aparna, inside you think about each and A to last D, inside, not outside. Inside we have to think.
Okay.
Inside you think and tell me confidently. So whatever is there, you tell me. Inside, all of you, Srihari, inside. Naveen, inside. You have to tell now. First you clear inside, then we will come to outside. Done. Inside you could do. So there is difference between inside and outside. Inside, if you have clarifications, outside it is easy. You have to clarify everything internally. Our life also, internally you have to be happy. I don't feel happy when I watch movie because I know it is acting. I know 100%. I don't enjoy movie. But what I enjoy is I will take friends to theater. That makes me happy. Watching movie, I will be watching at them what they are doing, enjoying movie or not. I will watch them. I don't feel thrilling in movie. But when heroine came with the dance, that time I will watch. That is psychology. I fixed my brain like that. I don't like movie, but I like heroine. What is this? I fixed like that internally. If she comes, I will watch like this only, going front. If she is not there, going back and watching it what they are doing. They enjoy movie. They don't look at me. If they feel they will look at me, I will not watch. I will watch in my mobile. Her songs. Why to book in front of everyone? So all this internal happiness and internal clarifications are required. So now Aparna, internally how you are clear now? Aparna.
Right, Madhu, right.
Yeah, now you tell me externally.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah.
Okay, validate rule.
No, A2, first to last.
Oh my God.
No problem. We will try. Okay.
No, Madhu, enough for me now. Please give others also a chance. My exercise is over now.
Okay then. Now Rashi.
Yes,
are you
sir.
there? Rashi, how you are clear internally about AOTF, RRS, BFFD? It is fixed in your brain or not, Rashi?
Yes, it's fixed now.
It is fixed in your brain. Now
Yes.
tell me short form. Aparna, you listen. Try.
Yeah, I'm listening now.
Yeah.
Rashi role model.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
So AOTF stands for applications, objects, tabs, and fields. Then we have RRS, V. It stands for relationships, roll-up, summary, schema builder, and validation rules. Then we have FFD, that stands for formula fields, filters, and rules.
Tell, you will get.
Sorry.
Tell next field, tell. It is you are done.
Yeah, I am done.
And Aparna, what is that? Last two.
Last two was, she said was field tracking, na?
Next.
Formula. Then was last was duplicate rule.
Yes. Rashi.
Yes.
Did you miss last two or you are clear about last two?
Yeah, I told you till duplicate rules.
She went quite fast.
Yeah, okay. So externally she is too fast. Internally she has lot of clarification. Okay. So external is for interviewer. Internal is for ourselves. Salesforce we have to drink like whiskey. It will give kick. It is not lemon water to reduce kick. I maintain both to balance. Morning lemon water and coconut oil I will take. Full active. Night full bottle, full active. Daytime full collection here, full active. All active only. But still back pain. Don't think badly about me. He is using more that. I don't use. I do 108 Surya Namaskar every day. Maybe because of that muscles compressed and locked. Yesterday he released.
You have to join the gym.
Gym. I don't prefer gym because I have to wear shoe, some track pant, t-shirt. I have to take car or bicycle and go to gym. By that time, I will finish 108 Surya Namaskar in 24 minutes fast. No shirt, only underwear. Money saved for shoe and track pant, all those things. Time is also saved. And internally powerful. Powerful strength internally we will get. That is aerobic exercise. Muscle won't get stressed. Okay. If anybody wants to try Swami, by the time you finish here course, you have to do 108 Surya Namaskar here in front of me. Brain will get superpower. Oxygen will be supplied to your body. If you don't do physical exercise, oxygen will not supply to brain. Why people are dull? They don't do physical exercise. Eating full night, midnight biryani, taking drink and not doing physical exercise. How it will be? So some tips are there to become active, to make brain or active. You have to make it active. If you make it active, you can listen other person. Otherwise, we will not have patience to listen to others. How we will listen to others? We will not listen. So if you are active, then only we can do something. Otherwise, we cannot. So now, who will tell online people? Anyone will try? Devasis? Devasis? Shubhangi?
Yes, sir.
Devashish, you will tell? In data modeling, what is the number for data modeling? 6 plus 24. 30. Devasis, you tell from 19 to 24. 19 to 24 are yesterday. How many we finished? 5 plus 13. 14 to 24. This one. 14 to 24. 10 you have to tell. 11, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You understood about 11 now. Now tell me, 14 to 24. Devasis, once fix in your brain. If it is not fixed till now, fix in brain. Fix in brain. Devasis, tell me. Tell me. You will not tell. Now we will come to 1 to 24. Remember, Swami, it will come to you. I don't know who has to tell. 6 plus 24 you have to tell with sequence. 6 plus 24. Fix it. What happened? Exams appudu government during exams we will tell washroom, we will go to bathroom and read it to come back and write. I don't know, for 1 year we did not do. For in 10 minutes how we will remember that much long story? We will write 1 or 2 sentences in movie story. Sir, please, sir, I will give 500 rupees. Please pass me. This is my phone number, GPay number. Use.
So Madhu, Aparna here.
Yeah.
Madhu, on the login that we created yesterday, they were asking us for a role to create while we are
Developer.
creating the login.
Anything you can.
Okay, I also gave developer.
Anything you can. That's
But you can interchange the roles, right? Later on.
I don't know. I never tried it. I
Okay,
did not go to that part. Maybe profile section we can see role.
Okay, fine.
We will see that.
Sir, I have a confusion.
Yeah.
The dashboard that we saw yesterday.
Yeah.
US dashboard. That was looking different, and when I create, it looks different.
So
So
when
Yeah,
you
that was
open
also why.
last time, it is showing like this. Lightning, you are
no,
at
no.
But Madhu,
Classic is also looking different, sir. Men section is not there.
which section is not there?
Main section.
Main section.
Yeah.
Main section is not there means based on that tab you click. Now I am here home. If you go here, it will be something different.
no,
If
no,
you-
no. Even what she said is right, Madhu. Even I did not see the main section. Your screen was showing lots of things. Also, they were asking us for a company name to be given while we are creating. Any
Swapna
reason why?
Swapna Salesforce.
Okay, fine.
Okay, this is what we have to.
Sir,
Yeah.
can I share my screen for
Yes.
once?
Yes, Raj.
Thanks.
Share your screen. I gave permission to you to share. So Raj, you have any questions? You raised hand and
Is
seen.
it visible?
No, not an issue. I want to explain the 11 items. That's why I was raised my hand.
Okay, I will give chance to you. 1
Yeah.
to 1 to 24. 24 plus 6 you have to tell now. I cannot see your screen.
Sir, it's not allowing me to share my screen.
Now you share. I stopped sharing.
Just a minute, sir. Please allow me a minute.
Dibakar, you are okay? Siva, everybody is okay? Till I explain joke, everybody is there. When I ask questions, nobody is
Okay, sir. Okay.
Class. Your chitti successful, Sai. 1 to 24, you have to tell now.
See, that is why we don't raise hands. I am the last person to raise hands.
Okay. 1 to 24, remember. Varun, 1 to 24, were there? 1 to 24. Yes, Rashi. You go to right side. Rashi, you are done. You are sharing.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Is
yeah.
it visible?
Go to top corner, right side top corner, app launcher. Content. Home, it is main section, it is showing Rashi Yadav. What is there?
Yes.
What is your question now? This is the main section under Rashi Yadav. Something is showing, right? If you go to content, last top right corner, app launcher, top right corner.
Content. This application is very slow.
Okay, top right corner, you can see app launcher. There you can click sales application. If you click, yesterday we have seen some tabs now. Those tabs we get. Have you done yesterday task like
Sir, it's running very slow.
yeah, you go to the top right corner, select sales application.
Which application?
Top right corner, app launcher. Top right corner. Top right. Yeah, that's one.
Here, right?
Yeah, click that. That arrow. Not content. Yeah, arrow. Sales. Stop. You got this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is only. Okay, you stop sharing.
Okay.
Your doubt clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to try some things with application.
Still, main section is not coming, sir.
Main
The
section,
toolbar.
main section is like beside sidebar, right side, and between tab bar and beside sidebar, right side. It is the main section. That's it.
Okay. All right.
That
Got
is
you. Thank you, sir.
yeah. So now 1 to 24, including 6. Who will tell? Rajendra Prasad?
Yeah,
Yeah, you tell me 1 to 24, including 6 main headings. First one is what? Under that?
hello.
Yeah,
Is I audible?
yeah, Raj, audible.
Yeah, Salesforce IT projects in IT company, and in that project activities, teams, and meetings. And next one itself is Salesforce introduction. That comes under Salesforce services, front end, back end, business logic. Next it will Salesforce technologies.
Yes. Next.
Yeah. Then next is Salesforce basics. And
Okay.
Salesforce basics we come editions, storage, and licenses, releases. Sorry.
Okay.
So next Salesforce CRM. In Salesforce CRM, Salesforce product, CRM architecture,
Okay.
and force.com,
Okay.
sandbox and environment.
Okay. Check his sequence. Okay.
And next will it is data modeling. In data modeling, application, object, tabs, fields, then roll-up summary, relationships, roll-up summaries, schema builder, and validation rules, formula fields, as well as next it will comes duplicate rules.
So what is his mistakes, Nandini? Okay. Okay.
Field tracking. After that, duplicate rules.
And the sequence somewhere 2 sequences missed before. Storage, edition, releases. So when someone is talking, if you focus on him, what mistakes he is doing, automatically you will get clarity. It is easy to find others' mistakes. We can't find our mistakes. Our wife is every day night she is wearing. We will be in half shorts and going outside. Hey, what is this nighty Padatlan dress look? Wear the good dress. And when they go to function, they will take out to very nice sarees, all jewelries they will take out to full makeup kits. To whom give shock? To our friends, relatives. See how I am. But in front of husband, nothing good. They don't wash even face as well. No respect to, because that value is not there for him.
No, Madhu, it is not that way. If she puts makeup in front of you, you will not buy her anything more.
Wait, often I say that. What?
If she puts makeup with you, you will not buy her anything. And she's very simple with you, you'll think, okay, she needs more.
Yeah, expectations are more, mistakes are more. Both are there. When expectations are more, we see more mistakes. When there is no expectations, no mistakes. Everything happy. That is life philosophy. Nobody cannot fulfill others' expectations in this world. Between wife and husband, or between children and mother and father, any relationships, we cannot fulfill 100% expectations of anybody. Even if you give 10 crores as well, next day he will ask another some more. If you love more as well, they will expect more love. Better not to love. Happy life. Even if love is there, don't express. Always busy in work. They will think I'm busy in work. I'll give your salaries to them. They will not say anything. Okay, enjoy. Weekends they will go with friends. All girls kitty party meetings. Where you are going? Kitty party. What kitty party? నా నడువులు పోతున్నాయి ఇక్కడ. Okay, so that is hello.
Madhu, any exercise for tomorrow? I was looking forward to drop.
Hello. కాదు కవిత ఎవరు I thought delivery person will every day coming, he is going back. Blue dot. I am thinking that card I will get. Kavita Gara. Neen Kavitane. If I am not in class. Because I am busy with this class. If not there, then conversation, enjoy love. Huh? There will be a good conversation. I don't know. Good or bad. Okay. So tomorrow, Aparna, sorry for the joke delay. Tomorrow task is for this 24 topics, 1 to 30, 1 to 20, 24, including headings. You have to write, and you have to write in 1 or 2 sentences what it is. Means you understood it or not generically.
Okay.
So you will come to understand. So I don't know this. Tomorrow you can ask in class.
Okay, fine. Thanks, Madhu.
Yeah, if you search in Google, Salesforce technology will come for the duplicate rules. You will not understand anything. Generically,
No, I'll go by what I know.
Yeah, generically, what you know, write in your words, no problem. So if we see your notes, okay, this point these people didn't get, I have to come up with a good joke. Jokes you will understand very easy. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Madhu.
Yeah. So now, Sai, tell me 1 to 30. 24 plus 6. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Storage, edition, release.
Yes.
Facebook CRM, Salesforce, products and cloud. CRM, architecture, problem. Salesforce, environment sandbox, data model, application, object, field, a relationship, a roll-up summary, schema builder, validation loop, formula field, field tracking.
See how he said, everybody thought Sai is a good boy. He went to bathroom and he came with proper strategy. And during examinations also same logic you used. So you should practice like that. Now Swami will tell. Focus on him. If somebody is missing Nandini, we will get.
Project activities. Salesforce introduction. There are software services. Salesforce services and front end, back end, business logic, and software technologies. Salesforce basic users edition, storages, post platform, Salesforce products and clouds, and Sphere of architecture, sphere of architecture, and next one is data modeling applications, objects, tabs, fields, and relationships, rule of summary, and schema builders, validation rules, field formula fields, and field field tracking history and duplication.
So what mistakes he did? Okay. 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 Next. Course.com. Okay. Everybody clear? Nandini, you will try? Try.
Salesforce project in IT company. Project having teams meeting. Salesforce introduction. Salesforce services. Engine package business technology. Salesforce technology. Salesforce rate. Storage Salesforce CRM. Salesforce product control. CRM application.
Hey, Swami, listen to her.
Course.com. Environment server. Data modeling. Application objects. Tabs. Fields. Relationships. Role of summary, schema builder, validation rules, formula fields, tracking history.
So her voice base also increased because of confidence. If you are confident enough, automatically your base will increase. To improve confidence, internally we have to clear. When you will be confident, if you are clearly internally, if you are clear about, okay, rain is coming, no umbrella, we have to keep laptop in institute and go to hostel. Clarity is there. Anyway, in rain, we have to go. What is the solution? You will say buy umbrella. How you will buy? To go to shop, you have to go in rain only. That clarification, that fixing of mind you have to do. Mind setup you have to do. There is nothing. I can remember everything. And did you observe? Last 11 points we are speed. And first point we are slow. Today we discussed 11 points. Quickly we are getting. But previous one we are just thinking some seconds gap is there. That minute microseconds gap is there. So what you have to do is this 104 you have to fix. Generic example, generic sentence. Salesforce definition, next level. First generic example, next Salesforce definition. In Salesforce terminology, what we tell. So if you mix these two, technically how we have to use. This is already there in your brain. It is like after marriage waiting for first night. Not a good example. Only for boys, sorry girls. Means you know everything already. You want to enter and enjoy it. Okay. Huh? I don't know. You will do something for me. I may go for another marriage soon.